but what we're actually doing, we're unlocking capacity that actually lives in that shop floor now. That's not
so you don't
being
have to
used.
invest in a new machine?
No, these are going to give you capacity back that you're losing on everybody's shop floor.
I'm here at the Carfulan Group in Derby in your Innovation Centre. Now, what are we stood in front of and why is it your most popular product?
Yeah, so this is our Smile 420 range. This particular model is our Pilot 1 controller. It gives our customers a little bit more control and a little bit more capacity on tooling. So whereas we've looked at a smaller machine before, the Smile 420 range is standard, can measure 420mm diameter tools by 420mm long tools, but it's also available with a 600 or 800 column and 600 diameter. So it's a very usable machine. The Pilot 1 control is a bridge between our flagship Pilot 4 and the Pilot Starter that we talked about previously. This control also has all our previously looked at user-friendly pictorial interfaces for quick, easy measurements and get labels, but now we can broach into more process-oriented control. So we can store nominals and tolerance values in here, so we're entering the red light, green light scenario that most manufacturing facilities need.
Okay, so this is more aimed at, is this aimed at more of an SME, more of a slightly larger business?
Yeah, I think so. I think depends if people want some control. So we'll see this machine anywhere from customers where they've got 2 CNC machine tools and it's making a big difference in there, up to a full factory of machines.
So I guess I'm surprised by actually, like you mentioned earlier, how modular the system is, how really this is kind of aimed at anyone from two CNC machines up to a whole, I don't know, 10, 20, 30 CNC machines.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, we usually find that shops where they've got 2 machine tools, they're doing lots of setups, where pre-settings are a no-brainer really, because setups are the time that costs you money on your machine, up to shops where they've got lots of machines, they're still doing lots of tool setting, and the reality there is they need tools into that shop floor environment as quickly as possible.
Brilliant, and that's going to save cycle times, save money.
Yeah, and one of the biggest things on all our machines that we push is return on investment is really good because the cycle times do come down. You're right first time, your setup times are reduced, but what we're actually doing, we're unlocking capacity that actually lives in that shop floor now.
So you don't have to invest in a new machine?
No, these are going to give you capacity back that you're losing on everybody's shop floor.
Brilliant. From tool setting, from all those that lost time. Yeah. So you're also going to show us a quick demo. Do you want to explain what you're going to show us?
Yeah. So in this machine today, we've got an adjustable boring bar. You know, everybody that's got a machine tools use one of these at one time or another, and we know that they're difficult to set. So in our library now, because we know this tool is a one that we want to control, we select it from our library, and now we're into our system where you can see we've got nominal dimensions. We're even going to check that we've got the right tip radius in this tool, because this is a biggie for us. You know, if you're coming down there, speeds and feeds, and you know, your load on your tooth, your tip radius is an important issue.
It's a big factor, I guess, for your feed rate.
So now we can see that instead of just being an easy measurement where we're going to be guided through from a picture, we can now click our, yes, I want to measure this tool, and it's going to guide us with our compass. So this is our GPS compass, and it tells the operator where he needs to be on this screen for nominals.
See, I like this feature because most of the time, if you're back here with the preset, you kind of have to guess where to take the camera,
for sure,
just to find the tip.
Yeah, and whether there's a tool there or not, this is going to show us where we should be. Okay, once we get here, the Smile 420 range, once we start getting to the Pilot 1 control, has an added feature that we can have our autofocus spindle. So whereas before we've looked and we have our focus guide and it's down to the operator.
So you have to go and dial it in manually.
Yeah, and we give an aid for that. This one's going to do this focusing automatically, so it's hands off. This is completely operator independent now. So when he's arrived at his nominal point, he clicks OK. The spindle is now going to automatically focus the tool. So it gets to its optimal highest point and it applies a spindle brake, because this is a special routine for boring bars. So this isn't going to move anywhere. So now you can see that our X dimension here is red because we're out of tolerance.
So we're 33.6 now.
And we need to aim for 34, so we can unlock our boring bar, and literally real time we're going to dial this out, if you can see, and as we get to within tolerance, the scales will go green.
Ooh. Nice, and you're trying to aim for that 34.
Yeah, because it's easy to hit. We can lock it off. Bang on 34, click OK. print your label, and off you go to your
Bang,
machine.
set easy as that,
Yeah.
which if you did it on a machine, I mean, it'd probably take, what, 10 times as long as that?
Yeah, for sure.
Thank you for the demo, Andy. Now, if you're looking to expand your machine capacity without investing in any extra assets, which I'm amazed you can do with one of these machines, then maybe you should get in touch with Andy, send him a challenge. He's interested in any problems you've got to throw at him. Maybe you should check out the ZOLLER Pilot 1.